In front of me is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS launcher. Then get this app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now choose while using and allow in the pop-ups. And when you finished, click on Got It and close your app. Then go into Devices settings to access Apps section. In it, scroll down just a bit, click on Default Apps, tap on Home app and apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it. So when I do that and tap on Got It, I can see that Apple layout was applied successfully on my tablet. If you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by accessing the same default app settings and tapping on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!